Segway miniPRO. The Segway miniPRO is a personal, self-balancing scooter designed for easy mobility and fun. It features a powerful 800-watt dual motor that can reach speeds up to 10 miles per hour, with a range of approximately 12.5 miles on a single charge. Its 10.5-inch pneumatic tires provide a smooth ride on various terrains, while the aircraft-grade magnesium alloy frame supports riders up to 220 pounds. Equipped with an intuitive knee control bar, the miniPRO offers precise steering and enhanced stability. Bluetooth connectivity allows you to control the scooter through the Segway app, enabling firmware updates, anti-theft security, and customizable lighting. The miniPRO also comes with automatic headlights, rear lights, and a convenient handle for portability. Lightweight yet durable, it's ideal for both beginners and experienced riders. With its modern design and advanced technology, the Segway miniPRO provides a safe and enjoyable ride. Scania S730 Minitruck. The Scania S730 Minitruck is a highly detailed, remote-controlled scale model of the iconic full-size truck. It features a powerful 6x4 drive system powered by high-torque motors, offering smooth and realistic movement on various surfaces. The miniTruck includes operational LED lights, such as front headlights, rear lights, and turn signals, enhancing its authenticity. Built with a sturdy metal chassis, it also replicates real truck suspension for a lifelike driving experience. The cab is intricately designed with a detailed interior, including a dashboard, steering wheel, and seats that mirror the actual Scania S730. The remote control allows users to drive the truck forward, reverse, and turn with precision. Designed for hobbyists and collectors, this mini version combines functionality with high-quality craftsmanship, ensuring both durability and accurate performance. Shane. The Shane vehicle is a compact, eco-friendly electric vehicle perfect for urban commuting. It features a high-performance motor that provides a top speed of 25 miles per hour and a range of up to 50 miles per charge. Its smart battery management system ensures efficient energy use and quick recharging. Designed for city travel, the vehicle's lightweight frame allows for easy maneuverability, while reinforced materials enhance safety. It also comes with LED front and rear lights for visibility. The simple, user-friendly interface ensures a smooth, quiet, and sustainable ride. Northern Light 630. The Northern Light Motors is a compact, low-cost, full electric vehicle. It delivers reliable performance for both urban commuting and light off-road driving. The vehicle features a streamlined design that combines durability with a small battery of a range of 100 miles on a single charge. Its advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride over varied terrains, while the sturdy chassis provides stability and safety. It includes user-friendly controls, offering precise handling and maneuverability in tight spaces. Inside, the vehicle is equipped with comfortable seating. Additional features include integrated LED headlights for enhanced visibility and a reinforced body for added protection. With its practical design and reliable performance, you can travel up to 100 kilometers with 22 pence square of electricity. Wazuma V8M. The Wazuma V8M is an extraordinary high-performance off-road vehicle. It features a robust V8 engine delivering exceptional acceleration and speed, making it ideal for thrilling off-road adventures. Equipped with high-performance suspension and advanced shock absorbers, the Wazuma V8M offers a smooth and controlled ride, even in extreme conditions. It includes large, rugged tires for superior traction and maneuverability. The design emphasizes a striking, futuristic look with open, exposed mechanics that highlight its engineering prowess. Additional features include a sophisticated braking system for safety, a comfortable cockpit with ergonomic controls, and high-quality materials for durability. EV Gyrocar C1. The EV Gyrocar C1 is a cutting-edge small two-wheeled vehicle designed to blend efficiency with innovative technology. This fully electric vehicle stands out with its unique gyro stabilization system, which enhances stability and maneuverability, particularly useful in tight urban environments and during sharp turns. Its compact design ensures excellent agility and parking ease, while the aerodynamic shape contributes to energy efficiency. The C1 features a modern, minimalist interior. The vehicle is equipped with advanced digital controls and displays for monitoring. Safety features include robust braking systems, integrated LED lighting, and a reinforced structure for added protection. Honda XR Mobility. The Honda XR Mobility is a hands-free personal mobility device that's set to redefine how we move and have fun. It allows movement in any direction based on our body posture and shifting your body weight. It ensures a smooth and controlled ride. The Honda XR is the future of mobility and entertainment. IEVZ Micro Mobility. The IEVZ Micro Mobility vehicle is an innovative, compact transportation solution designed for urban environments. This electric vehicle emphasizes efficiency and maneuverability, making it ideal for navigating congested city streets. It features a sleek, lightweight design that enhances agility while providing comfortable seating for up to 2 passengers. Powered by a high-performance electric motor, the IEVZ offers smooth acceleration and a range that accommodates typical city commutes. Its advanced battery system supports quick recharging and long-lasting performance, ensuring reliable operation throughout daily use. The vehicle includes modern amenities such as an intuitive digital dashboard for real-time performance monitoring, LED headlights for improved visibility, and regenerative braking to extend battery life. Safety features include a reinforced frame and advanced braking systems, with its space-efficient design and eco-friendly electric powertrain. SkySurfer Aircraft. The SkySurfer Aircraft is a pioneering human drone designed to revolutionize personal aerial transportation. This cutting-edge device combines drone technology with a compact, personal flight system, enabling individual flight with ease and precision. The SkySurfer features a sleek, aerodynamic frame built from advanced lightweight materials, ensuring both agility and durability. Powered by a high-efficiency electric propulsion system, it offers impressive flight speeds and a substantial range on a single charge. The aircraft is equipped with advanced stability and control systems, including gyroscopic stabilization and intuitive flight controls, allowing for smooth, stable flight even in challenging conditions. The cockpit is designed for comfort and safety, with ergonomic controls and a comprehensive heads-up display providing real-time flight information. Safety features include automatic altitude control, collision avoidance systems, and emergency landing protocols. The SkySurfer represents a significant leap in personal aviation, blending innovation with practicality to offer a new dimension of individual mobility. Daymak Spiritus Deluxe. The Daymak Spiritus Deluxe is an advanced electric vehicle designed to blend style, performance, and sustainability. As a 3-wheeled electric car, it features a sleek, futuristic design with a lightweight, aerodynamic frame that enhances efficiency and agility. The Spiritus Deluxe is powered by a high-capacity electric motor, delivering impressive acceleration and a top speed suitable for both urban and highway driving. It offers a substantial range on a single charge, making it ideal for daily commutes and longer trips. The vehicle includes a modern, well-appointed interior with comfortable seating for 2 passengers and a range of advanced tech features, including a touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation. Safety is a priority, with features such as advanced braking systems, stability control, and a reinforced chassis. With its eco-friendly electric powertrain and stylish design, the Daymak Spiritus Deluxe provides a practical, high-performance alternative to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles.